What's wrong with being? What's wrong with being? What's wrong with being confident? What's wrong with being? What's wrong with being? What's wrong with being confident? It's time to get the chains out. Is your tongue tied up? 'Cause this is my round, and I'm dangerous, and you can get off, but it's all about me.
So it's a Sunday shoot day, doing a makeup shoot today with Sivar Photography. So yeah, we're at UA. Okay, I have mental protege here, you know, kind of crazy. So yeah, I look nice today.
They're not always look nice.
Face melting.
Good girl. Good evening.
Say hi to Monique. She's a fellow makeup artist. I met her today. Yeah, so say hi, Monique. Alright then. Shamika. Jody. The gang. Tivar over there, so same there. Taking pictures. So we're finished now and we're tired. So Sham there. I know it's embarrassing. But I'm tired. I want to sleep. Makeup on fleek though. No?
So because your makeup on fleek, you must.
She tired here. She tired. Okay, she tired.
all them ears are bad about me. I'll never put them back with them and put forward.
Anyways, later, guys.
Yeah, no, no, no.